How to file for child custody in Pennsylvania. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics. I'm Caitlin Fox. I've been a practicing family law attorney for 8 years, and I have a playlist on child custody I'm going to be linking below. What are the steps for filing for child custody in PA? When you're filing for custody in Pennsylvania, you're going to want to start with your initial complaint. An initial complaint will set out the relief that you're seeking, whether it be sole legal, sole physical, shared custody, whatever that may be. It will list that out. It typically lists out the names, addresses of both parties, the initials and birth date of any children that you're including, and that document will get filed with the family court in your county. Once you have a complaint filed, typically the other party is going to need to be served, and every county has different local rules for how they require you to serve that complaint, but that complaint will need to go to the other parent or custodial person, and the person you're filing against does need to receive notice so that they can answer. Determining the type of custody. So every complaint is going to lay out what type of relief you're seeking, and there's multiple different types of custody in Pennsylvania. The first thing to consider is legal custody, and that's who's making big decisions on behalf of the child. So that might be who's making educational decisions, such as where the child's going to school, religion, things like that. That's typically going to be either sole or shared. There's not any other option for that piece. Otherwise, there's physical custody, which is really where the children are from day to day, meaning which parent overnight on which days, or even for pieces during the day. So that might look like one parent has partial custody, meaning they only see the child a few days a week, and the other parent has primary. Or that might be the parties share custody equally, 50-50. But every complaint is going to need to include what type of relief it is that you're looking for, and that needs to include what you're seeking for legal custody and what you're seeking for physical custody. Child custody modification in Pennsylvania. When you're looking to modify your custody order, which means you're looking to change the current order that you have, whether it's an agreement or it's something that was ordered by a judge, there could be several reasons. One of which might just be a change in the schedule. One of which might be an emergency issue. And as a note, I do have a whole video on emergency custody in the playlist linked below. Another reason is a relocation. You might be considering relocating to a different state or different area within the state, and you're going to want to modify your order if you're doing that. I also have a video regarding relocation in the playlist linked below. If you have any questions about filing for custody, whether it be an initial custody complaint or a custody modification, there will be a link below, and you can reach out and schedule a consultation with me.